A very good evening to you. This is a Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. The Bank of Jamaica continues to outline to consumers how the Code of Conduct to guide deposit-taking institutions will work. More in this report.
The grace period for deposit-taking institutions to implement minimum service standards for dealing with customers comes to an end on August 31. But as that period draws close, the Bank of Jamaica continues to outline how the code will function.
And it includes provisions such as keeping language in contracts simple and clear. And by simple and clear, we mean it should be understandable.
The code also requires key terms in contracts to be highlighted, and the customers should be notified about fees, charges, terms and conditions of any product being offered by financial institutions and the changes made to them. If a loan is being sought, the customer must be told the effective interest rate.
And by that we mean it is the true cost of the product that you're acquiring. So it will facilitate comparison between entities. So for instance, if the advertised price for the loan or product is 5%, and by the time you have included all the other costs, it works out about 6% that you'll actually be paying, that would be the effective rate we would want to see, the true cost of the loans.
All this must be done prior to the customer acquiring the service, and if there are any changes in the fees, charges, terms, and conditions on interest rates, the customer must know 45 days before the change takes effect.
Just to point out, if the change is to your advantage, the notification period is not required.
The code also requires a system to be set up in each deposit-taking institution to deal with customer complaints within 45 days, and statements and accounts must be given on a monthly basis. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Carib Cement says the price of its bagged product remains unchanged. This despite a shortage of the product, which has forced it to suspend exports to supply the local market. Already to deal with the shortage, the company has imported cement from one of its sister companies in the region. It says it will supply 1 million bags of cement over the next month to ease the shortage, while working on its packaging facility to sort out the issues. Carib Cement says the shortage does not affect its commercial and industrial customers. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $128.89. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $96.72. The pound sterling is going for $158.57, while the euro costs $138.76. And the main JSE market index dipped more than 1,305 points today to close at 224,954, while the junior market index gained more than 8. The winners of the day included 1834 Investments, Blue Power, Carreras, Kingston Properties, Main Event Entertainment, NCB Financial Group, and T-Tech. On the losing end were 138 Student Living, Diamond Trading, Grace Kennedy, Jamaican Teas, the Cayley Group, Paramount Trading, the Scotia Group, and Supreme Ventures. That's your Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.